Welcome to V.I Tech Academy, where accessibility meets innovation.
Hello everyone, welcome to V.I Tech Academy YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can install or update any driver of any device. So guys, sometimes we need to update our driver, or sometimes we need to check whether our driver is updated properly or not. Or sometimes we install any third-party devices like any additional keyboards or any additional printers or any devices which connects through USB or any other mode, and then we need to install its driver to work with the device. But sometimes what happens, sometimes we may face some device related issues. Generally the device is not working due to and sometimes there is update of a driver. We already downloaded the software or the driver, but we are unable to update it properly. So after watching this video, you will also learn, you will also know how you can update drivers of your installed device in your system. I am going to use Windows 11 with NVDA, but the features almost same for others Windows. Please note that features might not be same for the Mac or any other operating system except Windows. So guys, you are watching your favorite YouTube channel V.I Tech Academy, and this is your host Ratul. So without further delay, let's start today's video. Guys, to do this, we need to go to the control panel. First, I am going to the search bar and type control
panel system. Press right.
So I'm pressing enter to open it.
All control panel items. Autoplay link.
So my focus is on autoplay, but if you are not properly set your views or not properly set from the point of accessibility, you might not get this option. So to do this, just press Shift plus Tab once.
Small icons button.
Just find these small icons or category, whatever. You might heard that by default its category is set. So just press enter here
menu
and choose either small icon or category from this combo box. I'm pressing down arrow.
Category C.
Don't choose category. Large icons,
small icons checked
or small icons. So always choose either large icon or small icons so that you will get the options as I'm showing right now. So guys, in this control panel, if you use large icons view or small icon views, there are a lot of benefits. First benefits is this is a grid wise. Okay, grid wise means it looks like a table, but there is no rows and columns. It organized like rows and columns, but there is no borders, no cells are there. Okay, so this is called the grid view. So you can easily access these using arrow keys, left arrow, right arrow, up arrow, down arrow, like what you can do with your desktop icons. Your desktop icons are also organized as a grid view. So guys, I'm just going to press up arrow, down arrow. So autoplay is selected. See, autoplay is selected. I'm pressing right arrow.
Backup and restore.
Backup and restore.
BitLocker drive encryption.
BitLocker drive encryption.
Color management link.
Color management. Credentials manager. So these are four options in the first row. First row of this grid. So today we will be discussing about the device manager part, because within device manager you will find the option to update the driver or install the driver. Before moving forward, if you are interested to personally learn computer literacy expert, you can just spend Rs 400 rupees per month to get completely customized learning experience with us. For more details, check out our website and fill out the form of computer literacy expert. Now you can able to join our course from anywhere, and now you can directly find the course link within the navigation menu. So go and check out our website today and register your favorite course. Okay guys, so now to update the driver, just press tab key here.
Ease of access center link.
Tab until you find the device
Internet
manager.
phone and remote app system, Windows tool, system phone, Win6 region network, index devices and printer, color man, user storage recovery, mouse link, fonts link, device manager link.
Yeah, this is device manager. Just press enter here.
Device manager.
And it will open like a tree view. So here you have a tree, and under tree you have branches, sub branches, So you know how to access the tree view. So first of all, I am landing on the main branch. Now I press right arrow to expand this branch. Just press tab once before doing anything. And see.
Level 0 X expanded 1 of 1.
Level 0.
Level 1 audio inputs and output. Level 0 X expanded
X
1
expanded.
of 1.
X means my computer's name is X, so that's why it is showing X.
Level 1 audio inputs and outputs collapsed.
So
1 of
audio
21.
and input, audio outputs input devices. So if you expand this, you can see all of your audio input and output devices, and you can update their drivers from there. Okay, these are some categories, not categories like you can see. These are some reviews.
Bluetooth collapsed 2 of 20.
Bluetooth,
Computer collapsed 3
computer,
of 21. Level 1.
Okay, under computer you'll find some disk drives.
21,
Here you will
1.
find all of your disk drives like I am using SSD. HDD is there.
Display adapters collapsed.
Display
5 of
adapters.
Firmware collapsed 6 of
Firmware.
21. Level 1. Human interface.
Human
9
interface.
Keyboards collapsed 9 of
Keyboards.
20. Mice and other pointing monitors collapsed.
Monitors.
11 of 21. Level
So
1.
here you can check.
Expand
See.
Level 2 LG Ipsfold. HDMI.
This is the monitor.
1 of level 1 network adapt. Level 2 LG Ipsfold. HD level 1 network adapters.
Okay,
level
network
1 level
adapters.
2 LG level 1 network and ports.
Ports.
Print queues collapsed. 14
Print
of
queues.
processors collapsed.
Processors.
Security devices.
Security
Software
devices.
collapsed.
Software
17
devices.
of 20 expanded. Level 2 Microsoft Device Association.
Microsoft Device Association.
Microsoft GS Wabitables in Microsoft. Level
So
1
every
collapsed.
things you can do. See, sound and
21
video and game
level.
controllers. Storage controllers.
System devices. Universal serial
bus controller.
21 of 21.
Universal serial bus controller is the last option, which is USB. Here you can find all of your USB port with your installed device. Now how to check, not how to check, like how to update the driver. Next we will discuss. For example, I'm just going to first option.
Level 1 audio inputs and outputs collapsed.
Expand this.
Expanded 9 items.
Now here I'll find many options.
Level 2 condenser microphone.
Condenser
2 USB
microphone.
Condenser microphone 1 of 9. Digital audio.
Next, digital audio.
LG IPS
LG
Line 1.
Line 1.
Microphone.
Microphone.
2.
USB.
Condenser microphone.
Condenser
7 of
microphone.
9 level speakers. High definition audio device.
Speakers,
8 of 9
high
level 2.
definition audio device.
USB headphone. USB
USB
on level
headphone.
1 Bluetooth collapsed to level
So these are the
speakers.
options.
High definition audio device. 8 of 9 level 2.
So let's say I want to update this driver, the device of this driver. So what I could do is I can just press application key.
Context menu.
And here I'll find some options.
Update driver P.
See, I'm pressing down the row and I got update driver. So from here I can update the driver.
Disable device D.
Next is disable. I can disable the device.
Uninstall device U.
Uninstall device. I can uninstall this device.
Scan for hardware changes.
Scan for hardware changes. So if I want to check whether this device has some issues and I want to check that hardware issues is there or not and I want to fix it, so I can easily do it. Then I will show you later. Properties, here we can check about this device details that we will discuss later.
Update driver P.
So here update driver. Now if I just press enter, driver will not be updated because there is a twist which I am going to share with you now. But before that, guys, thank you so much for your true support, because with your support we have completed 4 successful batches of WordPress with screen readers, or WordPress for beginners with screen readers. And believe me that within just 1 month you are also able to create dynamic website. Not only just simple website, dynamic website with e-commerce features or any type of website you want. You just need to learn how website works and how you can build a website without a writing of single line code. So if you have a fear of coding, then this course is perfect for you. It does not stop here, because you can also utilize your WordPress skills to make money, such as you can use it to do freelancing, create a business, a revenue generated website, or you can help others to generate their revenue using website. There are many ways to do that. So if you want, we will make a video on it. Let me know into the comment section if you wish. And if you are interested to learn how to design website using WordPress with the full of accessibility, then I invite you to join our special course on WordPress for beginners. Next batch is starting in May 2025. if you are watching this video after May 2025, just reach out our website or reach out us on our social media accounts like Facebook page or any other, like email us team vitechacademy@gmail.com. We will help you in this. So guys, hurry up, do your enrollment because enrollment is limited. So guys, now let's come back to our topic, which is update driver. So now we find the options to update the driver. Next,
update driver P.
If I press enter here, I will have two options. See, I'm pressing enter.
Update drivers, speakers, high definition audio device. Search automatically for drivers.
So first, it is asking search automatic drivers. So if you press enter here, what it will do is, it will search, is there any driver available in Microsoft Store or in the internet? And then based on that, it will update it. Especially it will help you those devices which comes with default Windows. Like for example, after installing the Windows 11 or 10, now you can get the narrator sound. So sound drivers are automatically installed, right? So that you can do, that you can find this. But some drivers you need to download from others' websites. That you should import by pressing tab here.
Browse my computer.
Browse my computer. Now if you press enter here, then a standard dialog box will open. Open dialog box will appear. And there you need to choose that drivers file or drivers folder and then install it. So these are the two ways to update or install the driver. So I'm just doing this this one, search automatic drivers.
0%. Search for updated
It is
drivers on
searching.
Windows update button Alt plus S.
So it is saying search drivers on Windows update.
Mode back button Alt plus D. Search for updated
Just press enter here.
device settings. Settings window button. You're up to date. Last checked today 11:07.
And it will take you to this Windows update page, and it says that your device is updated and last updated time. So which means this driver is updated. Because when you get the Windows update, if any drivers update is there, which is integrated with Windows, that will also be updated. So you don't worry about that. You need to, if you want to reinstall this driver, so you just need to update the driver again. Or if the driver is third-party software driver, you need to update that driver by browsing that file. Okay, so this is how you can update the driver of any device of your Windows. I hope you got it. If you find this content useful, please like this video, share this video with your loved ones so that they can also learn. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to our official YouTube channel for more videos like this. See you in the next tutorial soon. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. Bye bye.